With millions and millions of users, Microsoft Teams is transforming the way people work. It's fully integrated with the other business software that you use every day, so that many tasks from document, sharing, chat, and scheduling can be handled in one place. Wouldn't it make your life easier if you could also integrate your business phone system with Teams? Now you can! Team Phone by PhoneSoft changes the game for companies using Microsoft Teams with a PBX or SIP trunks, making connections easier than ever before. Team Phone by PhoneSoft integrates your PBX with Microsoft Teams by embedding the capabilities of your existing phone extensions directly into the Teams client, turning it into the ultimate soft phone that works on computers, tablets, and mobile devices. With Team Phone, you can make and receive calls from within Teams or from your desk phone. You can use PBX features with Microsoft Teams such as voicemail, parking, and paging, making it so you don't have to choose between Teams and your existing phone system. Contact PhoneSoft today to learn how you can take advantage of the best of both worlds. Get the ultimate unified team collaboration and communication with Team Phone by PhoneSoft by contacting us at 949-427-5810 or filling out our contact form today.